We were told कि हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy.
Thank you. And I like the word that you use. It's snackable content. Yeah. Thank you for that.
That's how they sold me.
I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay.
मैंने बुखार में रॉयल्स पढ़ना शुरू किया because I was like it's a romance that's so rare that doesn't happen.
And मेरा अगला सवाल जो है. Hello, Bhumi. No. Yes. For that, let me hold on. I'll just go a little like this. Yeah. Yeah. Better.
Better.
Yeah. Okay. And
Kirtana,
hello.
is this position okay?
यस मैम
Okay, no, we can.
पर आप मैम से भी क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ना कि फिर से फिरकी लोगे आप
फिर किस बिल्कुल नहीं लूंगा.
बिल्कुल
She
thank
might
you.
just tackle you this time.
हाँ हाँ
No, मैं
मेरे पास आम पन्ना है
सौगंध खा के. Mommy. Okay. All right, Bhumi, my question is for you. You are truly the smart and stylish boss lady in the show. Now, this is a very women-first show from creators, writers, and a legendary and talented cast. How does it feel to be a part of such a team of powerhouse women? Were you right here, and did that all push you to say yes for the role of Sophia?
You know, honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November, when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, you know, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में रॉयल्स पढ़ना शुरू किया because I was like, it's a romance. That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that can I get another episode? एक और episode कर करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on.
बुखार में शूट करना शुरू किया. Definitely amped up the temperature, and you love love. We love you. Thank you.
Sachin, you're going crazy with your one-liners. Whew. I'm like, what is he going to come up with next? अब अविराज के लिए कुछ नहीं निकला ना तुम देख लो. Hold on.
But just tell me, you love me.
We'll see.
No, come on. Give it up for Ishan Khatter and his super, if I could use this word, sexy abs. Yeah. Of course, undeniable.
But first, the
Well,
abs. We have to highlight there's 6 of them. Chiseled. Maybe 8 on a good day.
Okay, so few instructions I have to follow in the darbar, so I'm going to, so that I don't block any. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. Is it perfect? All right, Isha.
आप उठ के झुक भी सकते हैं सर.
कहीं ना कहीं किसी से किस we're good. I got to know. We're good. So we're good. Yeah. Apologies अगर किसी को मेरी पीठ दिखाई दे रही है और मैं ईशान को ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ. पर ईशान,
आखिरकार सवाल पूछ ही लीजिए.
please.
Beyond that, what did I do to prepare and embody? Nothing. यार घुड़सवारी सीखी हमने. That was pretty exciting. We were told कि हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy. which was a bit of a task, but happy to report that my brother and I, we did 2.5 months of training, but did all our stunts ourselves. So we're horse riders now, and we love it. And now I ride for passion. So that was one of the things. And बाकी show में देख लीजिए.
Well, you aced it, and how we just saw the trailer, the glimpse of it, and you were lit, wasn't he? Wasn't he? Yeah. Thank you, and I like the word that you use. It's snackable content. Yeah. Thank you for that.
That's how they sold me. If I may add, I also had the good pleasure of meeting with Rongita and Ishita and the Pritish Nandi PNC team in back, I think, September 2023. And they gave me these scripts, and there were 8 scripts. And they said, I said, कि मुझे हफ्ता भर दे दीजिए, and I'll try and get back to you, I'll read them. Because there were 8 scripts, I didn't know how long they were, whether they were 60 pages, 100 pages. So they said, take 10, and I read them in 1.5 days. So that's how bingeable this show really is.
Wow. For his hard work, for everybody's hard work, but you, hats off. And the 2.5 months of effort to both of you as well. Yeah. Rani sir, Khamma Ghani. फिर से एक बार. How was it to hit this one? Cause this one seems definitely a lot.
Really? Am I supposed to look after the family here? I'm too busy looking after my diamonds and taking care of my jewels and my property and my palaces. So this time the focus is on myself. I'm looking after myself.
No, but you are, as always, so graceful. And even besides the trailer, the walk, we were bowled over. So thank you for
Thank
always.
you.
Yeah, and yeah, Ishan, what were you saying? I'm kidding. Okay. Chunky ji, my next question's for you. Royalty or shararat? Dono go hand in hand, just like your personality. What was it like bringing your signature humor into this royal world?
On the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college, I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste, or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum, Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting, but then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals. So I was like, really, they had a little, they had a leash and I was being controlled, but I really enjoyed it. I had a great time. And I hope I come in the part 2 also of it. Thank you. And yes, I was a last moment addition. So while these boys learned polo in 2 months, they only gave me 2 days to learn polo. And I played with them.
And another true definition of hotness, I've said another. Do you know my questions for you? You've done, intense roles recently, and was it fun to loosen up with this playful space of romance and palace politics?
Oh yeah, absolutely. When Rongita brought me this show, I was like, what are you giving me now? And hey Bhumi, how you doing? This is exactly what I do in the show. I'm Salahuddin, the Nawab of Alsipur, and he's a flirt. And he's chivalrous and charming. And he's crazy and he's whacked out. And there's a lot more of him in season 2. Hey Tanya, how you doing? But yeah, it was a fun ride. It was fantastic. I had a great time shooting it, especially Salahuddin. Can I tell them the short for Salahuddin? I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay. So yeah, I had a laugh on this set, and most importantly, all these beautiful people, everything everyone has said about them is absolutely true. There's no lies. Except for, there's no lies. It was really good, so I had a great time, and I want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
And everybody right now is just echoing this sentiment that the salad is quite sumptuous.
The salad is yummy. Let's say that. You want some salad? You're on a diet now, Bhumi.
Okay.
I'm feeling so many things right now I can't explain.
This interview now is just Dino and everyone. That's it. That's
What is this new feeling I'm feeling?
सुमुखी, यहाँ हूँ मैं.
Yes.
कैसे भूल गई?
Sachin, what's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Sachin,
Pretty
let me ask you a question.
good. No. You ain't turning the tables, please.
Damn it.
Okay, my question to you. आपकी timing और तड़का दोनों लाजवाब है. We love you, love you, love you for that. How much of your character was Kirtana and how much of it was you? Because it seems a lot like Sumukhi through and through.
It's a personal question. Yeah, it's a personal question. How much of it is personal? Yeah, the thing, okay, I don't know how to directly answer that question. It is funny like me, hopefully. But क्या है कि my character was also, thanks to really Rongita, Nupur and Priyanka and the writers, they really allowed me to improv. तो मैं अपना ही कर रही थी. Literally, I was not in the frame, मुझ में mic था भी नहीं, and I was just in the frame. At one point, I've done this to Bhumi's hair. क्योंकि मुझे काम नहीं था frame में, I said मुझे डाल दो please. So really, yeah, so that part of me is definitely me. But I genuinely had a blast because which comedian gets the biggest opportunity to do whatever they want and have that freedom कि तू next take पे कुछ और कर ले. You know, so this was my mehboob moment. So I really appreciate it. So thank you. Yeah.
Sumukhi, अब कुछ भी कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो. You make us, mad completely. So thank you for always entertaining us.
Thank you, Sachin. I'll think about it.
Can I just say that after a certain point, because everyone loved what Sumukhi was doing on set so much, they sent the sides with Kirtana's lines not there, and they just said, Sumukhi को जो भी करना है करने दो. So she didn't have lines beyond a point. They were like, क्या ही है, उनको करने दो. It was that good. So-
Imagine how cool is the writer to allow something like that. So really, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I think everybody has beautiful, beautiful arcs since you asked that question in the show. But the one that stands out to me the most is Zeenat Ji's. Because, normally an arc goes like this, या तो नीचे से ऊपर चढ़ता है या ऐसे. वो ऊपर ही रहती हैं. I'm trying to avoid saying the word high. But she's truly the crown jewel of our show. And I'm so excited for everybody to see her in this.
Can't wait to watch it, guys.